Hi guys, look what I received in the mail today. My Essence Festival of Culture collection box by Sampler. Okay, so my first item I received is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. Alright, this one is the Carol's Daughters Born to Repair Moisture Treatment Spray. I have the NYX Epic Ink Liner. The Superstay Vinyl Ink by Maybelline. And let's see, I have the Rich Red Successful Lipstick by L'Oreal and a Sky High Mascara by Maybelline. This is another Carol's Daughter Born to Repair shampoo and conditioner. And a little insert card with all the products that I received. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and see what I look like in these lipstick colors that I have. First, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the Superstay Vinyl Ink by Maybelline. Okay, I don't have a mirror in front of me, but I'm doing my best. I don't think it's that bad. It's alright, but it's not for me. This is number 85, Restless. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and try on the Rich Red Successful Lipstick by L'Oreal. This is number 187. Again, color is Successful Red. It's cute. I think I could hang with that. Look at the details. Okay. I'm trying to look inside the camera lens. No mirror. It's cute though. I'm gonna wear this one. Alright, so back to the NYX Epic Lip Liner or Ink Liner. The color is black. It's supposed to be waterproof, but I'm not gonna try this on. It's gonna be a hot mess without a mirror. Okay, so look at the description, and I have all the information on the products I received.